Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to get back your recommended videos while keeping a watch history off. Now if you go to the YouTube homepage and you see this tab over here, click on update setting, turn on. You'll get back your recommended videos. Now just pick on any video that you like. Let's say I'll just pick this video. And then just play at least 2 to 3 seconds of it.
You know, sometimes in life you just can't catch a break, and it's...
And then once you've done that, go to the top left corner and hit 3 lines, and then click on history. And then over here you'll see there's the video that you watched just now. Now to pause your watch history again, click pause watch history, and then click pause. And then once you've done that, it should say turn on watch history right here. That means right now you've paused your watch history, so go back to home. And then I'll just hit refresh just to show you again that your recommended videos are back. And if you watch any other video that's different from the one that you've watched just now, so just click on this. And then again, just watch at least 2 seconds of said second video.
I would like to order.
You should do that and say that like that.
And then once you're done, go back to history over here. And then you'll see it doesn't have the second video that I've watched, and my watch history is, not updating because I paused it. So if I hit refresh, it won't have the second video that I watched. But then if I go back to home, I would have all my recommended videos.